Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn to Love DIY. Today's DIY is a Christmas candy cane mesh door decor. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and if you haven't already, I would love it if you'd subscribe. Alright guys, so to get started, you're going to need one of these candy cane frames. I purchased mine at the Dollar Tree, as well as the different meshes. I originally bought two of the white and one of the red, but I later had to go in and purchase some more of the white and the red. So I ended up using 3 of the white and 2 of the red. And I did go ahead and apply the mesh onto the frame. However, you could see a little bit of the black because it's white, so I ended up painting it, just trying to dab a little bit of white to kind of conceal the green of the frame. And so that's what you see me doing here. I also used some pipe cleaners to hold the mesh onto the wreath frame, as well as some scissors, but other than that, I didn't use anything else. Okay, so our next step would be to go ahead and apply the mesh. As you see, I've already started with the white, and I'm going to show you how I layered these. So I did each section off in different colors. So I did white first, and then the second section in red, and so on and so forth. And I'm just kind of bunching it up. And then I cut all of my pipe cleaners in half. And then I'm going to go ahead and just try to insert it as much as I can, and well, as tightly as I can in one of the corners. And then just wrap around my pipe cleaner around the axis, or the tip that I'm tying of that mesh onto my wreath. So as soon as I finish wrapping my pipe cleaner around the wreath, I'm going to go ahead and turn it around again, and then I'm going to go ahead and start basically weaving the mesh on the different compartments. So you end up making 3 loops in each, and then you start over. So as you see me here doing, I went ahead and collected the whole piece there, bunch it up, hold it, and then I'm gonna weave it in between the other 2 compartments, and then I'm gonna go ahead and move the roll back from once I started, and then complete the process over again. And you're gonna do this until you have what you would consider enough for your wreath. So you can decide to make it very poofy and go through one whole roll, or you can kind of try to make it and adjust it to how you are going to want it at the end, because a lot of people will use other materials in between the different colors, such as the like the pipe meshes that they currently have in stock. But I decided not to do any of that, so I try to make sure that I filled it up as much as possible. And then once I got the amount that I wanted or desired, I went ahead and just poofed all the ends. So I expanded that mesh so that it would look poofy, and then I just rearranged it. So you see me here, I'm just expanding the edges here, because when you're stacking it on there, you're just bunching it up and not really basically making that look pretty. So that's what I'm doing. I'm making it look pretty. And so what I did is I went ahead and left it as was, and then I continued on with the white for the next section until I was completely done with the wreath. So as you can see here, it is all complete. I went ahead and switched colors, just like a candy cane would look, and then I started completing my bows. I purchased these 3 different kinds of ribbon at my local Costco. I thought it was a better investment since they come $50 a yard per roll versus, 3 3 yards at the Dollar Tree, and I was gonna make several of these projects for Christmas, not just for me but as gifts. So I wanted to go ahead and make the investment instead of buying a roll of each for each project. So as you see here, I'm kind of just stacking them and then just flagging the ends. I did go ahead and layer the 3 different ribbons I purchased, and then I don't show it here, but I went ahead and made these a little bit poofier, the bows that was, and added extra loops, as well as 3 of the bells that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. 2 in a silver and then 1 in a red. So here is my completed project. I really hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please write them in the comment section below. And thank you very much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.